So the iPhone 13 rather is coming out September 24th. That's its official release date. And I'm sitting here looking at the iPhone 13 prices, and the prices are crazy. The amount of money that I'm looking at people are actually going to drop on the phone. That's just the cell phone. That's not the charger or whatever else comes with the cell phone, probably like a case for it or like the screen protector. That's just the cell phone itself costing that much amount of money. And I'm sitting back and I'm just thinking to myself, like, I remember as a kid, I wanted my mom and dad to buy me expensive clothes, expensive gym shoes, and all of that was just so I can keep up with my classmates. Just so I can go to school and just brag to my classmates and just say, yeah, I got the latest clothes too, just so I can feel cool and just so I can be accepted. Not really taking into account if my parents was even able to afford any of the stuff that I really wanted. I didn't care. All I wanted to do was just impress people. That's all I wanted. And as I sit back up here and I look at the cell phone and I ask myself, what really is an iPhone 13 really going to benefit people other than just to brag and say, I got the latest iPhone 13? That's all that is going to be, just to benefit them, just so they can brag and just so they can have something to show off to their friends, to their coworkers, while they sitting there working stuff, to just whip out their phone so people can say, wow, you got the phone, so what does it do? What does it that do? Just to raise up their social status. Because if you ask me, I'll be damned if I drop $999 on an iPhone Pro, and that's just 128 gigabytes. We not even gonna talk about the 256 gigabytes, the 512 gigabytes, and the 1 terabyte for the iPhone 13. We not even gonna get into those prices. But I'll be damned if I drop something like that just on the cell phone. Because really, all I need is talk and text. That's it. That's it. Just to call and just to text people, I'm good. And a good working camera from time to time. If I want to record something, or else if I just want to, take a couple of pictures of an environment that I may be in. That's really much it. What a cell phone is for. Other than that, but really just to sit back and just brag. I mean, it's very frivolous and foolish what we're willing to go out and spend our money on. Because I'm sitting back here trying to figure out and think to myself, ain't there still a pandemic going on, and isn't there people still crying and complaining, talking about that they don't actually have money to afford where they live at, to pay the bills, keep things going around the house. But I'm like, as soon as the iPhone drop out, we're rushing to give our money to Apple. It's crazy. It really is crazy. Like, none of this stuff makes any sense. But other than that, we're consumers. We love to consume without any real thought to what the consequence is going to be later on down the line to ourselves and to others, but we love to consume. So other than that, y'all didn't really come here to hear me do all this gibbering, but I'm gonna get into this iPhone 13 Pro commercial that Apple posted on YouTube. So I'm gonna dive into this real quick and just give you a quick reaction.
It's ready for new wide and ultra-wide cameras let you capture incredible scenes in even lower light. The new telephoto camera has 3 times optical zoom for even closer close-ups. Discover a new world in macro with the ultra-wide camera. And upload and download faster on the go with 5G. The superior durability of ceramic shield means iPhone 13 Pro is ready for any shoot, almost anywhere. iPhone 13 Pro offers filmmaking capabilities not possible in even the most expensive movie cameras. Now you can capture, edit, and deliver in ProRes, the same format used in the movie industry. And introducing Cinematic Mode, which brings the art of cinematography to iPhone. For the first time, you can shift the focus automatically while you shoot or even afterwards. And all in Dolby Vision. The Super Retina XDR display with Pro Motion uses an adaptive refresh rate that makes the iPhone experience feel faster and more fluid. Power is redefined with A15 Bionic, the world's fastest smartphone chip, and a huge leap in battery life to keep up with your day. More powerful, more intelligent, and a world of cinematic possibilities. iPhone 13 Pro.
Like I said, I'm not gonna lie. The video it looked very good. The graphics was very good. How they promoted the iPhone 13. However, like I said, I still don't see what the big hype of the iPhone 13 is really about. Personally, me, I'm an Android user. And if you probably listen to this video far enough, you probably saying, "Oh yeah, Android user, yeah, that's the reason why you probably hate the iPhone." Like I said, I really don't care too much about phones. Even with my Android, I don't really put too much thought into the Android. Like I said, as a man, all I really need is something to call and the text and just to record my numbers in there, for restaurants, family, friends, jobs, what have you, etc., business, like that, that's pretty much what all I need. I don't really need nothing too fancy. But other than that, post your comments down below in the comments and tell me what you thought of this commercial. Are you planning on buying the iPhone 13 when it comes out September 24th, or do you plan on pre-ordering it when it goes on sale September, I believe, the 17th, this Friday at 5 a.m. Pacific time at 8 a.m. Eastern? So post your comments down below. Let me know what you think, and until next video, I'll see you then. Peace.